Hello and welcome to this online interactive session in Study with Faseeh project. Today our topic is parts of speech. Many students and viewers ask us what are the parts of speech and why we use it in our language. To elaborate it, we have to discuss it further. So let me tell you what are the parts of speech. When we talk, the whole process is called speech. To analyze this speech, the grammar expert divided it into the different parts and they named it as a part of speech. As you have already know about it, the noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, etc. Before going to start this, I have to tell you about something. Have you ever seen the parts of a machine? Let me give you one example of the car. Car is a combination of different parts. Its steering has a different function to perform to rotate the car. Its engine has to run the car, it has a different function. Its metallic body has a different function to perform. If all things work together, then the machinery of the car runs. Same is the case, the machinery of the language runs if all these parts work together. So, the parts of speech are actually the different categories of the words according to their function, according to the syntactic function in a sentence. Mainly, there are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Some grammarian add articles as well, so they count it as a 9 parts of speech. Shortly, let us discuss what are these parts of speech. First of all, we will discuss about the noun. Noun is basically a name given to the objects and the ideas and the things. For example, there's a table, boy, mosque, fruit, whatever it is, all of these are included in the noun. Secondly, we will discuss about the pronoun. Pronoun is used to avoid the repetition of the noun. We can't say the name every time, so we use pronoun I, we, they, etc. All of these are included in the parts of speech. Thirdly, we will talk about the adjective. Adjectives are used to appreciate or depreciate, to enhance or to decrease the qualities of the noun. For example, he's a good guy, he is a good boy. Boy is a noun. The quality of a noun is enhances by the good. So here the thing that enhances or appreciates the quality of the noun is works as adjective. So here is he is a good boy, he is a bad boy. The common thing that people think about adjective, it only enhances the quality of a noun. It can also depreciate it can also decrease it. For example, he's a good boy, he's an ugly boy. So all of these things, anything that enhances or decreases the qualities of a noun is considered as adjective. Verb. Verb shows the action or state of it, that he plays in the ground, he is a good boy. So it can be used as helping verb, it can be used as a main verb, it can be used as a modal verb. So all of these things that shows the action is considered as a verb. Adverb, it adds something into the verb. For example, it adds the quality, the same function that adjective does for the noun. Here adverbs does the same thing for the verb. So he drives, this is a verb. He drives slowly. In what manner? That slowly here is considered as a adverb because it depreciate or enhances the quality of the verb. So adverb adds something to the verb. Then we talk about the conjunction. Conjunction joins the words, it joins the phrases, it joins the sentences, it used to make the complex sentences as well. So and, for, yet, so, all of these word coordinate conjunctions are considered as conjunctions. Then we talk about the preposition. Preposition is usually used to show the position of the thing, position of the objects with each other. For example, this mobile is on my palm. If we talk about the other thing, that I am standing in the room, so here in and on are used as a preposition. We will discuss it in the next video. And in the last, interjection is used to show our emotions and our feelings. For example, hurrah, alas, or sometimes a sentence. For example, what an idea, the whole sentence, what a beautiful scenery, whole idea, whole sentence can be the exclamation. So all of these 8 part of speech are used in our English language, and in the next videos we will talk about these. Now we will move on to the examples of a part of speech. The first example that we will discuss is Amr ran quickly. Here Amr is a noun, ran is a verb, quickly is an adverb. Same is the case with the knife is beautiful. The knife is beautiful. The is article, knife is noun, is helping verb, beautiful is adjective that enhances the quality of a noun. Here is the knife. Same is the case that I have already told you that it is not the word, it is a function that it performs in a sentence. A same word can be adjective, verb, noun, and a pronoun at the same time, but according to its a function in a sentence. For example, let me give you one example. There is a word fast. If we use it as a noun, the example can be Muslims break their fast after the sunset. Here, fast is used as a noun. Muslims fast during the month of Ramadan. Here, fast is used as a verb. My brother likes fast car. Here, fast is used as adjective because it enhances the qualities of the car, which is considered as a noun here. So, fast car, fast is used as adjective. My brother likes to drive fast. Here, the word fast is used as adverb because it enhances the qualities of the verb drives. How he drives fast. So I have showed you that a same word can be used as a different part of speech according to its function in a sentence. So as an assignment, I have some words for you, so you can make sentences of it and write it in a comment section. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends and a family and support us